Hello guys, it's Pacific Appliance once again. So we did here interesting job, I guess. This is our unit which we work on. This is flower shop, so they have this huge walk-in coolers for flowers. This works a little bit different, which we know very well. This is the, you see, this is the, I just don't wanna fall down, but this is the whole unit. This is the flower thing they do. And so what was the job? First of all, I performed deep chemical service here with the water. You can see it's I already done. Usually I shoot my videos after I done. So you see the water, how color of water was. Like theory, they probably never have done it. But the problem was related to this problem. The issue was that they had potential start components burnout. So this is the unit, this is the whole relay, potential relay, and this is the start capacitor. Start capacitor here, you can see, gives us 189 to 27 microfarad. But I noticed right away that I have here, you see this dot? Here it's blown out. Let me flash it for you. You can see what I'm talking about. You can see. You see? This is already blown out start capacitor. So what I did, I have the kit. I had a kit. My new one, start capacitor, the same. You can see, 189 to 27, and potential relay. Just replacing case. Probably door potential relay also good, but just replace because it's come with the kit. And now I also realized that it's low on freon, little bit low on freon, which I'm adding this freon R22, and I have here side glass, and you can see it's bubbling. Side glass, you see, right? That means we need to add freon, which I'm gonna do. I will add freon here. It was 27 when I started. Then now it's 44. It's supposed to be 50 something, and I will just decided to shoot video of this job. So in the middle of adding freon, I just stopped it, and now I'm adding again. You can see it's already better, much better. You can see it's not bubbling, it almost stopped bubbling. So we're almost done with adding freon. Look at here. Where is it? Like, I don't know if you can see it, but it's almost not bubbling. It's still bubbling, but by pressure I can see it's not ready yet, which we will do soon. Add freon. It's big unit, huge unit. This is the motor, this is the receiver. Look how huge, big the receiver is. And this is the compressor 3 ton, which is considered huge one for this type of application. You see, it's almost not bubbling anymore. Little bit we need to add more freon. Basically that's what was it. Main problem was it didn't start because of this capacitor, run capacitor blew out. You can see it, you see. So I replace it. I replace in case the relay, which is probably good, but we don't know. And now we can tell he will never experience this problem. This timer we added to him and gave him like 1 and 6 hours 30 minutes defrost, which wasn't supposed to be here, but we just said it because it's got frozen. They always open door. So we do some solutions for these big systems. You can call us anytime. We will help you with it if you need help or advice or question or whatever. Our phone number is 213-234-7543. We will really glad, me personally, to help you guys. This is our guys. They do flowers, which they bring every day fresh from Mexico. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a good one.